Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Do you feel you have no control over the anger that's always seething underneath? Do you find yourself lashing out at your loved ones only to regret later? Hi, I'm Shubha and today I'm going to share with you 5 effective tips through which you can manage your anger. Tip number 1. People who are prone to frequent outbursts of anger often have a lot of bottled up emotions that have accumulated over time. This may be a cumulative effects of feeling, of being neglected, of not being appreciated enough, of being discriminated against, of being abused or ill-treated. The best way to release these pent-up feelings and energies in a consistent and healthy manner is through intense physical workout. So, next time you feel this anger surging, go for a brisk walk or a run. Also engage in a regular physical activity like joining the gym or taking up a new sports or joining a dance class. Yoga is another beautiful way to channelize and transmute this energy and to calm your mind. Tip number 2. Identify your triggers and then work on diffusing them. Introspect and ask yourself, what is it that triggers your anger? Is it jealousy? Is it the traffic jam? Is it the behavior of your spouse or your child? Is it being ignored or criticized or not being given due credit at work? Once you have identified the triggers, now focus on the solution rather than letting those triggers make you upset every single day. For example, if traffic jam upsets you, then a better idea would be step out of your home half an hour early to avoid peak time traffic. Tip number 3. Create a pause between the trigger and your reaction. Next time you feel this anger surging within you, discipline yourself to pause before you react and tell yourself that you are going to respond, but after this pause. And in this pause, take 10 deep breaths. Inhale to a count of 5 and exhale to a count of 5. Repeat this 10 times. What happens after that? Your response now is more mature and disciplined. Try it. Tip number 4. Tone down your expectations. A lot of our anger is due to our expectations not being fulfilled. Now, there are 2 kinds of expectations. One is explicit and one is implicit. Explicit expectations are those which were agreed upon with someone else and that person did not fulfill it. A simple discussion with that person could resolve the issue. Implicit expectations are those which we project on others and the situation without their knowledge or even their agreement. Can we learn to tone down these expectations? Because when we do that, there will be less disappointments and less reasons to be angry or upset. Tip number 5. When you feel that you really have to vent out your anger, then instead of accusing and confronting the other person point blank, use I statements. I statements are those which help the person realize the effect their behavior is having on you. For example, instead of screaming at your partner, "How dare you keep me waiting every night for dinner," you could just say something like, "When you come home for dinner late, I feel that you are not concerned about me." This emphasis on I helps the other person realize the effect their behavior is having on you and also gives you a chance to salvage the relationship. So friends, I hope this video helped you. See you soon on another episode of Soul Talks with Shubha, where we continue this exciting journey together.